overlooking the city from the sky, your eyes will be captured by the multitudes of high-rise buildings and an urban layout featuring innovative design. This is ShenZhen, China, the first international garden city. Let's check it out!
Hello everyone, at this moment we are here at Sheraton Four Points Hotel at ShenZhen, China. Look at the view, there's the mountain, there's the bridge and also a lot of transportation.
Let's go into Hong Kong, right?
Yeah.
Those truck.
Which one?
Reads truck 6.
Oh, no, it's not.
Di ko makita.
Wow, look at the
Yeah.
tallest building in Shenzhen, the Qingqi Ibai. There, Qingqi Ibai. Point it out.
Wow.
Wow, look at the view there in the middle. That's the Qingqi Ibai. 100 floor building.
St. Regis Hotel. That's St. Regis Hotel.
Amazing view.
How about this one?
That's the toll gate.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah, toll gate. Going to,
Hong Kong ba? Ano?
is it going to Hong Kong? Oh, maybe because it's a border, Futian checkpoint. And what do you call that building? That one?
Hindi ko na alam yun.
That one, right?
That's in Coco Park.
Coco Park.
Coco Park.
Ah, there's the Civic Center. There.
The Civic Center.
There.
Oh yeah, can see too.
Civic Center. Wow, it's nice to live here in
Yeah.
Futian.
Yeah.
Because Futian is the center of Shenzhen.
See? That's the Civic Center right here.
Yes. Blue,
Like
red,
our-
yellow.
Oh, blue, red, yellow.
Yeah, oh, so amazing view.
You know about the tallest one?
How do you call that building?
Just like trade, I don't know.
Yeah, they said it's also, and there is a Diwang Dasha beside the Qingqi Ibai.
Ang ganda talaga.
Yeah, there's the mountain.
Fish pan over there.
Fish pond. Look at the mountain. Amazing views. We are here on 46th floor in Sheraton Hotel. So we can see the view. Imagine we're just in the 46th floor, right? How can you imagine when you get there in 100 building, 100 floor? Oh, so nice.
Ano kaya ang gamit ng boat yan? For
Fantastic.
fishing?
Maybe they're going to bring something like the cement.
Yan oh.
Yes.
Gumagalaw yung isa.
Yeah. They're
Wala naman.
moving. Actually,
Yeah,
they're moving.
Wala naman ano.
Yeah, what do you call that mountain? It's Wutongshan.
No.
Is that Wutongshan?
Oh yeah, just like over there.
Yes.
That's Wutongshan? Really?
Wutongshan Mountain.
Oh.
Yeah, because
yeah.
it's in Lohu.
Yeah. Exactly.
Located in Lohu.
Exactly.
Amazing.
See, there is Wutongshan. Oh, can see.
Yes.
I've been there many times.
I never been there. I just climbed the Nanshan Mountain. I believe I can fly.
It's only a state of mind. It's in.
Let's start to eat. This is, I don't know, forgot. Yeah, Hong Kong style. Hong Kong restaurant. Hong Kong restaurant. Ito yung ano namin. Chicken feet.
Wow, ang dami mo in-order, sis.
Ito yung special na stir fried noodles namin. At saka ito rin yung yummer pigeon. Kalapati.
Wala pala akong ano. Teka lang.
So let's eat!
I need VPN. Diba parang...
Saan ba?
Hindi ko pa nag-picture.
Ito. Meron pa.
Ang dami mo in-order.
Sakay na tayo guys. Ang cute yung pigeon.
Pigeon. Skyline Pigeon Fly.
Sakay na tayo. Ganito ang holiday namin guys. Kami lang. Wala kaming ka-date. So boring.
Hey, you!
So boring. Wala kaming ka-date.
You're so boring. Kami na lang dalawa.
Ano pang wala?
Because...
Ano bang wala? Yung buns pa namin. Wala pa yung buns natin. Barbecue pork buns with water, tsaka steamed red rice roll. Red rice roll with shrimp. Yun pang wala. Kain na! Oh, let's eat! Yo, liangga? Liangga. May kwansi? Wala. Sige. Mahirap ang itong ayaw ko sa noodles.
Yummy.
Mahirap.
Mukbang na naman.
Mahirap na ilagay sa bowl, pero masarap kainin.
Which one? I love this fried noodles. Nananabahan na ako actually, sis.
Teka.
Okay, thank you. Pancit.
Long life. Ano, pansit kabagan?
This
Pansit
is
Mickey. Pansit kabagan.
Hong Kong style
Yes.
noodles. And chicken feet.
Nakalive ka?
And pigeon.
Yes.
Skyline pigeon fly.
Actually, gusto kong kumain na ng pigeon. Kalapati.
Mukbang pigeon. This is a pigeon. Yes.
Igo ko sa iyo.
Chicken feet.
My favorite.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yun na yung red rice na.
This is, oh wow, very yummy.
Yeah, that's yummy. Crispy.
Love it. Ikaw nag-order na.
Ito, next guys, try natin papakin. Ito yung barbecue. Buns barbecue. Ano ba? Barbecue pork buns with butter. Try natin. Yeah. Wow. Big bite. Sarap ka. Look.
Oh.
Kung meron to sa Pilipinas, i-try nyo. Sarap. Next. Ito yung favorite ni Sis Ruby. Sis Ruby, ito yung favorite mo. Chicken feet. Sarap silang magluto ng chicken feet. Diba? Hindi ko magawa yung ganito. Bakit kaya tumataba? Pinapalaki nila. Ano? O sadyang malaki.
Sarap.
Sadyang malaki siguro ito.
Ito, lalaman pa
Okay. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na.
Hello.
Tapos na ang kainan.
Yeah, we're about to go home because, you know, the typhoon is coming. So, and they're going to close.
Yeah, it's 10.
Now, it's 10 p.m. already here in ShenZhen.
We're about to go home.
We're full already, so...
Hindi na namin
需要
nakakain
我帮忙吗？还是说您自己来呢？
Taman, taman lang. Sige.
Like, ito, magtatapaw na.
Yan, itatapaw na namin.
So, it means inside.
So,
Sayang din to, pang-almusal din to bukas ni Ina.
ikaw ang
No, I don't want to
niyan.
bring it.
No way. We have many food at home. No, we have many food at home.
I don't know what's inside of this.
Yeah, that's bread. That's for breakfast tomorrow. Peach. It is peach. We didn't see that while ago. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero hindi
But
namin alam
we do
na-
not know what's inside. Maybe it's like chopa or something.
maybe some meat or sweets inside.
Yes.
But it's peach bread. So maybe it's peach fruit inside.
We're full and tired. Full and tired.
Okay, we recommend this.
So if you want to find a good
Dim sum.
restaurant or dim sum, it's a Hong Kong style. So we highly recommend. What's the name of this?
Chuwalang.
Chuwalang's dim sum. Yes, that's Hong Kong style.
Okay, that's
It's
it
very
for...
affordable.
Yeah, that's it for today's vlog, guys.
Bye-bye.
Lagyan mo na dito sa box.
Okay.